Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 stuck on check device power screen. Method 1, power cycle your devices. Try turn off your TV or monitor, then unplug the power cable, wait about 15 seconds then plug it back. If you are using the TV, then try use remote and try switch between sources. If it still doesn't work, then restart everything at once. Just turn off your TV and PS5 then unplug them. Wait about 3 minutes, then plug them back. Right now, turn on your PS5 and TV, then see if problem is gone. Method 2, try visit PS5 safe mode. To do that, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Right now, connect the controller with the USB cable. Right now, press the PS button on the controller. Select Change Video Output. Choose this option from the Safe Mode menu. Choose Change Resolution. This option will allow you to select a different resolution. Select a resolution. You can choose Automatic, which will let the PS5 choose the best resolution, or you can choose a specific resolution. Exit Safe Mode. The console will restart, and you should see the new resolution. In case you can't access Safe Mode, please move on the next method. Method 3, try use another cable and another port. Try use another HDMI cord to connect your PS5 to your TV. You need to do this to make sure your HDMI cable is not damaged and the problem is not coming from it. If the problem persists on the second HDMI cable, then try switching to a different HDMI port on the TV. If the problem persists on the second HDMI cable, then try switching to a different HDMI port on the TV. Here, I will try on HDMI 1 then switch to HDMI 2 and HDMI 3 ports. Also check the HDMI port on your PS5 to see if they have broken or bent pins. If that is true then your HDMI port needs to be replaced looks like. This is a reoccurring issue for the PS5 and Sony acknowledges this issue. If your PS5 is still under warranty, take it to Sony to get it fixed. Or any electronic repair shop will be able to help you no problem. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.